This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today, we are in the community Spring Mountain Ranch, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing KB Home's Santa Barbara Residence 13 model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. The open floor plan home measures approximately 2,091 square feet. This spacious living room is also known as the Great Room, has recessed lights and windows with views to the backyard. The kitchen has gorgeous countertops, stunning backsplash, and beautiful cabinets. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, oven, and a microwave. The center island has plenty of storage space and a breakfast bar for dining. The dining area is centrally located to the great room and kitchen. The great room has a sliding glass door to the backyard. It would be perfect for entertaining your guests for barbecues and parties. Couldn't you just imagine sitting in the backyard right now and enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather? If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The master bedroom, which is also known as an owner's suite, is quite nice. It has windows and recessed lighting. It has a walk-in closet with single pulls. The attached master bathroom has a beautiful soaking tub. Just take a moment to imagine it filled with bubbles and surrounded by lit candlelight. It also has a separate shower and a private water closet. There's also cabinets, dual sinks, and a vanity area. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. In the hallway, you will find a linen closet. Right off the kitchen, there's a walk-in pantry with lots of shelves ready to be filled top to bottom. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the other bedrooms. The second bedroom has a window, is carpeted, and has a closet. The third bedroom is carpeted, has a window, and a closet as well. The laundry room is featured with washer-dryer hookups, a shelf, and a cabinet. You will find a guest bathroom with dual sinks and a water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. This home also includes green features, such as dual pane windows with energy-efficient Louis glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. The fourth bedroom has a closet, windows, and is also carpeted. What's your favorite room in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. There is also a guest bathroom with cabinet, sink, toilet, and a shower. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California region thinking about buying or selling your home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.